Or do you want to try? Watch me do it. Here,
I can't even try it.
Here. Keep the camera up my mouth. Make sure you're getting me actually.
Hi.
I've never. Will these bite?
Oh yeah. You're the ones that suck your foot.
This one was sucking on my finger. Mason, hold the camera up.
Yeah, I am.
Can you see me?
Yeah, no.
You just touching them?
That's so weird. I don't know. Oh, it's sticky. I feel like noodles.
So you can see it's like mouthpiece.
I'm pretty sure these look like baby eels.
Alright. Yes.
Wait, can you get the seasons from leeches?
I don't know. That's a good question. We had to leave early because Carl can't find his phone. But we caught 2 perch.
Underwater like two.
So not really much, but I was determined to keep them. And we're going to cook them up tonight. But we're going to buy fish from Walmart, I think. How does that sound, baby?
I have to do something.
So, we did some fishing today. And it absolutely sucked. We got 2 panfish, 2 perch, but it ended up being more of like a fishing fun day. That cat is trying to escape. He, and I posted this on shorts, but he got himself a bunny last night and he delivered the head and parts of the body all throughout our yard. He was the only one that snuck out last night. Captain was in. So this is the bunny murderer. He's known for doing that in this family. He's known for eating baby bunnies, ripping the heads off of them, and bringing the heads to our front area or porch area. And we never really find the bodies. He was once a farm cat that we adopted, and we try to keep him in, but sometimes he sneaks out like you just saw, or the kids will let him out and I can't find him, and then he comes back the next morning. We did good, and this week he was basically in all week. And that's Mamacita. She's purely indoor. She's my baby. And this is our dog, Pop-Pop. Hello, Pop-Pop. He's our baby. He's so sweet. Yes, Pop-Pop. You need a bath, Pop-Pop. And I don't know where Captain is. He may have snuck out. I thought I saw him in my bedroom, but he likes, yeah. Mickelson. Mickey, did you bring a little baby bunny home for mommy to eat? Should we make bunny head stew? And you're waiting to go outside, but that's not gonna happen. We're ooh, my hair is an absolute mess. We've been out on the lake for the past like 2 hours. We're gonna go grocery shopping, and then I think we might do a day outside where we camp and, I don't know, maybe sleep in the little tiny home. I'm not sure. It'll be fun. And just like basically live out in our backyard for the night.
How could I start? That's the question.
It's a pretty little thing. I got absolutely roasted today. Thanks.
Welcome.
Throw another one and see what happens. Huh? Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to replace your Dexcom here.
Here, baby. You go press this button.
What button?
This button up here. I want to see if we got a voltage through it. Hit it. Press down on it hard. Hard. Push. I'm not getting any voltage. Did it hit it again?
Okay.
Yeah, we got 12 volts to that. Why is there a starter? not good. That means the starters shit out.
Oh my.
Alright, so do that again. Alright. Hit it, hit that button. Hit it. Hit it again. Harder. Hit it.
I am hitting it.
There's nothing? What the heck? Hold on. Something's wrong.
So the fire finally died down so we could make our food.
Use your words,
I've been
baby.
thinking.
He was zip or
U.S. Marine Corps. This is so cool.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for your U.S. Navy Blue Angels?